On October 25th, several important events took place in history. In 1415, the Battle of Agincourt was fought between England and France. King Henry V's English army won a great victory against a much larger French force. In 1854, during the Crimean War, the charge of the Light Brigade happened. British cavalry mistakenly charged into heavy enemy fire, and their bravery became legendary. In 1940, Benjamin O. Davis Sr. became the first African-American general in the United States Army. His promotion marked a major step toward equality in the military. These events from October 25th continue to remind us of courage, sacrifice, and change throughout history.
We need your support to grow and bring you more stories. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.